We're back! Yay!
Yeah.
If you thought season 1 was good,
Boy, are you in for a sweet DIY ride.
and ride, this season is jam-packed with more decor tips from me.
Oh, you're sleeping. That's like really helpful.
And some amazing new DIY inspiration from me.
I feel like it's really cozy in here.
Together, we're on a mission to help a friend solve a home decor dilemma in their space.
Hope you can help me.
But it doesn't matter how confident we are, it's all about what they think.
Whoa! It's so cute!
It's time.
Are you gonna buy?
Or DIY.
I don't know. This is gonna be so hard to choose.
Can I keep them both?
This is Buy or DIY. Subscribe. New episodes on the Coral channel starting May 3rd.